Hey there, and welcome to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends who want to learn French easily. French verb faire in passé composé or past tense. Today, we are going to learn the very important French verb faire, which means to do or to make, in the passé composé tense or simply the past tense. Faire is a general verb used in so many situations, from talking about homework, cooking, sports, even the weather. And guess what? It's super easy once you know the formula. To form faire in the past tense, we use the helping verb avoir, which means to have, plus the past participle of faire, which is fait. So it's like this: subject plus avoir in the present, plus fait. For example, j'ai fait means I did or I made. Tu as fait is you did or you made. Il, elle, or on a fait means he, she, or we did. Nous avons fait is we did. Vous avez fait is you did, either formal or plural. And ils or elles ont fait means they did. Pretty straightforward, right? Let's look at some real examples. J'ai fait mes devoirs. That means I did my homework. Nous avons fait un gâteau. We made a cake. Elle a fait une belle peinture. She made a beautiful painting. Ils ont fait du sport hier. They did some sports yesterday. And finally, tu as fait un excellent travail. That means you did an excellent job. See? Super useful. Hey, quick tip for you. Whenever you talk about something you completed in the past, like homework, a project, a party, or even some exercise, just use avoir plus fait. It's a sure shot way to sound confident and correct in French. So, if you're enjoying this easy lesson, please subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language, give us a like, and share this video lesson with your friends and classmates. Also, don't forget to check the video description for the best collection of French learning books, dictionaries, grammar guides, all at really huge discounted prices. You'll also find our top-rated French Communicative online course for all levels. And there's a special self-guidance eGuide designed for CBSE and ICSE school students to master French independently. Our contact details are also in the description, so feel free to reach out for more guidance. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and, well, I'll see you very soon in the next lesson. À bientôt, see you soon!